Hey friends, and welcome to your practice. Before we begin, I want you to know that you are so loved. You are beautiful, brave, and so strong. Truth be told, heartbreak is uncomfortable. Heartbreak is difficult, dark, heavy, and painful. But heartbreak is also an invitation, inviting us to love ourselves back to wholeness, to recall the parts of us we have lost to the overwhelming grief of losing someone you maybe thought you would never live without. This wound creates an opening. This wound is an offering. This wound is a blessing. Closing our eyes, if that feels right for you. Arriving here into this present moment. Allowing all parts of us to exist in the here and now. That sadness, that grief, that loneliness, confusion, whatever you are feeling in this moment, allowing it to be here with you. Showing up in your wholeness. Taking a moment just to check in with your heart and notice how you are feeling, or what you've been avoiding to feel. And whatever is there, just say thank you. Thank you, sadness. Thank you, pain. Thank you, worry. Thank you for reminding me that I am human and I feel. Thank you for reminding me to feel and to heal. Now noticing our breath, and notice how we are breathing. Just watching the breath. Watching it as it moves in through your nose and then out through the mouth. Noticing our hearts beating, the rising and falling of our chest and our stomach, effortlessly. And together, taking a deep inhale in through the nose, receiving a breath, and letting it all go through the mouth. On this next breath, on the exhale, letting go a sigh. So receiving a breath in through the nose, letting it all go through the mouth. And one more time, taking a deep breath in through the nose, letting it all go through the mouth. Inviting you now to bring to mind the relationship in your life that has ended. And I want you to know that it hasn't really ended. Its form has just taken on a new one. Because energy never dies, it can only be transformed. So bringing to mind this relationship, your partner, noticing the details. And just observing without judgment, just seeing it for what it is. And now imagine you are holding out your hands in front of you. And you see you and your partner in the cups of your hands. Now envisioning a white light surrounding you both. With each breath, the light grows bigger and stronger. And as the light grows, our gratitude and love for this relationship grows as well. Taking a moment to remember the sweet moments, all the loving moments that you shared. We are intentionally shifting our attention to focus on the goodness of this relationship. I'm sure we've spent so much time focusing on what we don't want. And so let's focus on what we do want and what we do want to remember. Bring to mind the qualities of this person that you fell in love with. Their smile, their voice, their presence. Notice how your body responds. Memorize this feeling of love within you. And know that you are the creator of this feeling, not them. And at any moment, you can create this very feeling within you. That warmth, that love. With the white light still in our hands, growing with every breath we take, bring your hands to your chest, placing them over your heart, and repeat after me. I am creating the love I desire. I am the creator of the love that I desire. Others may make me feel loved, but I am love. Love lives here within me, always. Love is my home frequency. To honor my sadness is human. To honor this grief is human. To honor this pain is human. As my heart breaks, I am becoming more human. This heartbreak connects me to my humanness. I am not broken. I am human. Together, taking a deep inhale in through the nose and letting it all go through the mouth. I am not broken. I am human. And the human in me recognizes and sees the human in you. Know that this path of healing, of breaking down and then being built up again, is one that we revisit over and over again. And each time we revisit this lesson, this wound, this pain, We are evolving. We are growing and rising up. And so when everything feels like it's falling apart, I hope you remember that you are human and that things are not broken. Things are being transformed. As this practice comes to an end, taking your time to come back into the present moment, inviting movement back into your hands and into your toes. And whenever it feels right for you, slowly and gently opening your eyes and thanking yourself for being in practice.